Hey friends, thanks for watching the video. I need your help. And actually, we need your help because the students built some windmills and we need your help to tell us who built the best one. So, put your comment down below and say who you think built the best one. Now, I will only count one comment per account. So, if one account leaves 1,700 comments, they get one vote. So one comment per account. Ready, go!
You're talking.
Alright, so this is a wind charger. Basically, it's kind of dumb, or looks dumb, but it's actually not. Because it'll charge like the energy for the entire town. A little town. Could be right here.
How would it do that?
Wind power. Boom.
Okay, so this is thumbs up. It is a windmill, and it could possibly, I don't know, it help.
So as the wind turns this,
Yeah, I got this.
what happens?
The wind moves.
The wind moves the blades, which in turn turns a sprocket, which turns the chain. So hypothetically, we could have a like a pump down here, maybe.
Yeah, like a water pump or something. Maybe, possibly.
Okay.
Don't know. Near future.
That is thumbs up.
Sweet and simple, because it's pretty sweet and it's simple.
What's it do?
It just spins
Just for fun?
just for fun.
Okay. All right. What is the name of this contraption?
Joey.
Steggy. What does it do? Show me how it works.
Okay, it's got a built-in starter right here. See that?
Built-in starter. Okay.
Yep. Go like this. Oh, which way is it? Yeah, you hook your battery cables up from a tractor. Go like this. Boom. Starts it.
Oh.
All that does. You just gotta push it back. Built-in starter.
Okay. Let's see it again.
Starts it.
And it just continues to power a starter. Is that what it does?
Yep. You just gotta push that back.
Okay.
There we go, it's
At one point, you had something else on here. Why'd you take it off?
It didn't work.
Didn't quite work right. So what's it do? Doesn't do anything, huh? Okay, so as the wheels turn, unfortunately the students all developed laryngitis at the exact same point and they can't talk. So as the wind turns this blade, it turns a sprocket, which turns a chain, which turns another sprocket, which turns these two sprockets, which turns this sprocket. And we don't really know what it does because the students have lost their voices, but this is rattle trap. It's unfortunate, and that laryngitis, we got to figure out how to solve that.